What I like about dental hygiene is just the one-on-one that I get with a patient and being able to tell them what's going on with their mouth and their general health and letting them know what they can do better for themselves.
One of the most exciting things about our program is that the students get to practice their skills not only on each other, but once they get to an advanced level, they get to provide treatment to patients from the community. So that's very exciting that patients can come in. There is no charge for the services, so that allows them to come to our clinic. The students are supervised by dental hygienists and supervising dentists, so all of their work is checked every step along the way.
In the clinic here, we see patients, so from the moment they come in, we'll do all of their assessments and find out how difficult of a case they might be. And then we do an incredibly thorough cleaning, and everything is checked by our instructors at different intervals during the process. I know when I'm doing the hands-on stuff in the clinic here that I'm gaining experience, that it's helping me be prepared for when I get out there. It's making me more confident in my approach to my patients. And I'm doing a service to the community as well, because every patient that comes in here gets their services for free. So it's beneficial to the community and to us as students.
So we not only teach our students the skills that they need to be good dental hygienists, but we really encourage and enforce the soft skills of being a professional and working together. So when they leave here, they're not only a fantastic skilled hygienist, that they also make a good teammate and a good employee.
I really enjoy just being a part of our clinic to provide such a service for people that are really in need and want dental care but don't have the resources or funds. It's really special.